In this video, I'm going to show you how to export a PNG and the reason why you might want to use a PNG. So, first thing that you're going to need is you're going to need to crop out an image. I already cropped this one out so that we can kind of see when I toggle off the background that I put on there, we can see that I have it completely cropped out. You want to make sure that you cropped it cleanly and that there's no bits of background off. And then, once you're done, you are going to turn off any other layers that have pixels on it. So make sure that there's no white pixels there so that when we kind of look in, we can see that it has just this like checkerboard pattern. That checkerboard pattern represents that there is nothing in that layer. The only thing that has anything in that layer is the layer of the boy, but then the rest of it is empty. Then you're going to come up to File, come to Export, and then sometimes we have the quick export as PNG, or you can come to export as. We can see that it's going to export with this empty spot. I am putting on PNG, and I'm making sure that the transparency is checked off. That way, any of the checkerboard area is completely empty. Then you'll come to export and choose the place that you're going to save it. I've already created one of these, and so I don't need to do that. But we can see the benefit of having a PNG is that when I insert it into my image, I can move it around and change it, and I do not have to recrop it. We can see that it's completely cropped out and there's no parts of the background. And so that is why we might want to create a PNG instead of saving as a JPEG or even as a Photoshop file.